Lori Vallow-Daybell makes another appearance in court this morning. Eyewitness News 3's Kaylee Galaviz tells us what happened in our top story tonight.
With hair done up and a smile on her face, Lori Vallow-Daybell is back in the Fremont County Courthouse. Her lawyers are asking for the judge to rule on two motions to send the determining factors made in the alleged murder and conspiracy charges back to the grand jury. John Thomas, one of Vallow-Daybell's lawyers, argues that the grand jury may have been confused.
They decided what the charges were going to be. They presented the document to the grand jury and asked the grand jury to just sign off on it. Perhaps this grand jury was led down a path that they weren't prepared to sign off on. If I'm confused, if the court is confused with counts 1 and counts 3, I don't know what the grand jury would think. I'm assuming that they too may be, at least one or two of them may have been confused.
He is also asking to separate the conspiracy to commit murder and grand theft charges.
When does the conspiracy end? Well, one would think that the conspiracy to commit murder would end when the alleged murder occurs. That would be the end of the conspiracy. And so I don't think that they can tag on a conspiracy to commit grand theft as part of the conspiracy to commit murder.
Thomas says they don't want there to be any existing confusion going into the trial or after the fact if they need to appeal. So he believes that
the appropriate way to deal with this indictment is to return it to the grand jury and just have them split the two conspiracy charges so that it's easier for a regular jury, for a trial jury, to understand and to sort through this.
But prosecutor Rob Wood argues
that the conspiracy is the crime. It's one crime, however diverse its objects. And that's very important language. If you really break it down to what the crime is, it's not that confusing. The crime is that they agreed to murder someone and steal money linked to that person. And the crime is the agreement and an overt act. And as long as we establish that, then the jury can make the finding either guilty or not guilty.
Judge Stephen Boyce is considering the motions and will make a ruling later. Vallow, along with her husband Chad Daybell, are charged with the deaths of Vallow's two children, J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, and the murder of Daybell's former wife, Tammy. A trial for both Vallow and Daybell is scheduled to begin in January in Boise. Reporting in Fremont County, I'm Kaylee Galaviz.